Do you feel like you're stuck? Do you feel like your progress is very slow, even if you're working very hard? Then this video might help you. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. Here you will learn the things you can consider that can help you break the deadlock towards wealth. Make sure to watch until the end so that you won't miss any details. First, ensure that your actions push you to your goals. If your goal is to get rich, then earning money is the way to go. However, telling yourself to just earn money like a mantra is a bit vague. There are many ways to earn money after all, but there are better ways than others. Thus, if you want to reach your goal of becoming rich sooner, then you must be creative in how you approach your goal and make sure it's the best way. There are many things you can do, such as starting your business, investing, building connections, and setting up your passive income. You will find that earning money becomes natural because it will come to you instead of you searching for more money. Second, make your goals very clear. What do you actually hope to accomplish? People frequently don't stop to think about what they want to do. Some people are always chasing after new things, never putting enough effort into one project to make it successful. Others dedicate excessive resources to the incorrect cause because of a fear of giving up or disappointing others. Long-term objectives need careful preparation, consistent work, and continuous commitment. Make intelligent decisions and confirm that your values are aligned with the objectives. Everybody has a distinct formula for being wealthy. Decide what you want to accomplish and the tasks you will need to complete to make it happen. Don't make your goals sound too vague or too broad. Be patient, make your plans, schedule your time, and reach your goal step by step. Third, ensure that your hard work is being put to the right task. Did you wish that you had more hours in a day? Maybe because you have a coming deadline or because you want to keep working on something. But it's just a wish, and it's up to good time management to make do with what you have. Instead of wishing for longer hours, what if you could free up a considerable amount of time, perhaps as much as a few hours of your day, to concentrate on the tasks that are truly important? What you can do is relax first, then see which tasks are really vital to reach your goal. Determine if your task is something you can easily outsource. If you cannot avoid some tasks that aren't really important, then you can ask yourself if you can delegate these to someone else, such as your employee. Or just simply ignore them, especially if the task won't negatively affect your goal. Fourth, stop looking for excuses about why things don't work. Suppose Joe starts on the same point as Jake. They both start from the bottom, and they also start with the same capital. However, Jake progresses faster than Joe. Joe starts making excuses. Maybe it's because Jake has richer parents. Maybe because Jake is luckier. Maybe it's because Jake's colleague is better. With these things in mind, Joe spent a considerable amount of time trying to make excuses. Well, like all the other Joes in the previous videos, don't be like Joe. Don't look for reasons why you failed to achieve the same thing as the others. If this happens, what you do is not look for excuses, but ways you can do to improve your own equation for getting rich, because the Jake in your life probably has a better equation. Time only gets wasted thinking about excuses, and it certainly does not generate profit. Fifth, take feedback. If you're stuck somewhere in your journey, one of the things you can do to see which aspects you can improve on is to take feedback. Feedback may come from your confidants, friends, relatives, co-workers, and clients. Feedback, both positive and negative, is very beneficial. Making crucial judgments will need the usage of feedback. Rich, successful individuals who run high-performing firms continue to be successful because they are constantly looking for ways to improve what they already have. Therefore, If you really want to progress and be wealthy, you can't just do your thing and expect that it will always work. You must be consistently dynamic. Other than a source of information that you can use to improve yourself and your business, feedback can also be your motivation to reach your goal. Sixth, learn to commit. Commitment can be hard, especially if you have many tasks lined up. You want to start your business, you want to do more jobs, and you want to invest. You want to achieve all of them at the same time, to the point where sometimes you might end up not finishing what you started. Commit to one task at a time, especially if it's something big. You can't just start a business and let your employees handle everything, right? After all, if you're starting up a business, the beginning requires a huge amount of your attention. Therefore, if you want to progress, learn to commit. 7. Avoid distractions. Jot down all your activities and distractions in life. This may be a phone call, a television program, or even an unpleasant person. When it's time to concentrate on your objective, turn off your phone and place it somewhere else. Turn the TV off and have it unplugged. Keep in touch with those who have a good effect on your life only. Basically, avoid distractions. If you want to reach the extra mile, what you can try for yourself is to make the distractions more difficult to access. For example, if you're prone to playing mobile games or surfing the internet, then keep your account logged out. Lock the apps using an app lock and then turn off your phone. On the other hand, make sure that the tasks you have to do are something much easier for you to start. For example, open your desk lamp and have your pen and paper readily accessible. This way, you can trick your mind by thinking it's more hassling to play or surf with your phone compared to just doing your task. Lastly, don't let yourself burn out. Do you feel like you're just tired? Do you suddenly lack the mood to get going? Do you start doing things for the sake of finishing them? Well, you might be suffering from burnout. With burnout, you become less productive and less energetic, which also makes you feel more exhausted, helpless, and cynical. You can eventually feel as though you have nothing more to contribute. This can eventually cause your progress to slow down. Keep your eye on your objective, but try not to become fixated on it. You'll stay driven without overworking yourself if you keep your journey enjoyable while being productive. Your once fun objective starts to feel more like a chore than something you want to complete. To prevent burning out, keep learning about how much you can improve and accomplish. Try to hang out with the right people, gain inspiration, and reignite your motivation. Do you relate to anything presented in the video? Feel free to comment down below and share with us what you think. If you have experience with some of the suggestions, you're very welcome to share them with us. If you liked our content, you're welcome to check out our other videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.